Hey there, thanks for joining me with an unboxing of Doterra's Natural Solutions Kit. My name's Jacqueline. This is my first kit as I start out being a representative for Doterra, and I want to explain to you why it is the best choice for you also. Let's get to the unboxing. The first thing that's going to catch your eye is the Natural Solutions Kit brochure. This is a really handy, informative pamphlet that gives you a rundown of all of the inclusives that your Doterra kit should have. I'm really excited to take a peek inside of these boxes and get my hands on these things. Where to begin? So I'm actually going to go by the handy manual that they give you, and I'm going to start with the oils. Now, there are a lot of oils that come with the kit, and there's this amazing holder. I'm really excited that there's extra spaces so I can put my other Doterra blends and oils in there. My mom has been gifting me Doterra for a long time. Mamas always know. I also want to mention, you can make your own blends. They do send fractionated oil in the kit here, as well as, here's the fractionated oil, as well as a diffuser so that you can get it in your aromatherapy as well. And I couldn't help but go ahead and get this bad boy going because it's amazing. Similar to me, if you're interested in learning your oils, this is also going to be helpful to understand what all of these oils can do for you, for your health, wellness, in your body, outside of the body, in the mind, in the home. So I encourage you to really dive deep into this like I am going to create my own cleaners and my own blends, especially with my Reiki and my energy work customers. So dive in deep. There's lots of learning here. And we're gonna move on to some of these awesome home products. Take a peek outside of the oils. We're gonna dive deep into some of the natural, non-toxic products that you're getting with this Natural Solutions Kit, starting with the doTERRA On Guard. This oil blend is going to be able to take it orally, topically, or through aromatherapy and supports the immune system. You're also getting the soft gels for the same thing, so you can take it orally this way. It's already made for you. We have the On Guard sanitizing spray, which is awesome. The doTERRA beadlets, you just pop these in your mouth. They'll also give you a little bit of fresh breath there. The toothpaste, which is super great. We're having the mouthwash that goes with it, as well as the hand wash. And they've got some pumps that go with those too, so you can make your own hand washes and pumps. We have the TerraZyme, the PB Assist. We have the Breathe, which is really great to travel with, to keep your breathway, your airways open and flowing. Of course, we've got some lotion and some essential ointment like Correct X. The last item in the box that I want to talk about is the Lifelong Vitality Pack. This is a 30-day supply of these 3 dietary supplements that are going to promote what I call longevity, but it really is all about longevity in your wellness. I'm very excited to do my month with these to see how things balance out within me. I have my own digestive issues that I'm trying to work around, and so I'm very excited for doTERRA to be a part of my world, share out to you how it can help as well, and I'll keep you updated. Happy unpacking to you too.